dog, see the dog. Pussy they running, man, you see me? And get them all up for dog. See there, you can see when they come out. But yeah, come from. Like.
Welcome my viewers and subscribers. How you guys doing? So people, St. Elizabeth, some thief running a man house, you know. We take the man car and bike, you know. People are lucky think the man car have an alarm. So the man alert the man. People man run out. People man make them have it. Yeah man. 9 ball and skin people. For real man, people watch a video people and thing and tell me what they think.
Pussy them park up the road, I don't even know. How let them
cheer
off.
them.
The boy they know yeah dog, you see it? I cheer them dog.
Yeah.
Watch out now. Brother, I cause I hear me hear pussy clot car alarm, but I know say like them panic out or sitting brother.
Cause he can alarm every
yeah dog, I'm tell you that me hear brother. Me hear fucking car alarm brother, I'm go so the fuck alarm me car. See it them? Pre me come pre-wag one dog. I'm hear pussy them a whisper, you see me?
Sure.
Brother, anyhow we can alarm bad man and gone with the bomb buckle by.
See them through the
sit brother, this time I go so bombs and run out on the pussy them dog. I wait see I one night black dog, I him there back in the dog, I him go so bombs and wait. Wait him in get shot in the foot brother, man know say pussy get in. Get in the foot dog, you see me?
Dog man almost lick your bike dog.
God know dog, I should even know brother. Pussy man have a fine on the body boy, say all you get shot in your foot. The things I saw it all go down.
Viewers and subscribers, wanna see what I go on? Wanna see them one friend and set him up. One friend them send man come thief him bike and car. All them man just know how to walk, which part to walk and thing and which entrance to take to go to him with him bike. No, the man them know exactly where the bike there and carry the people. And one friend him set up that man. And lucky thing him have an alarm and him carrying the people. You see that? I look at it alert. You have camera set up in their yard, in their house. You hear that people? Yes, the man then gone with him bike and car. People. You have to alert at this time, plus when you make a little money. You understand what I'm saying? You have certain asset. Right? Just like other man having car and bike. Man I watch him a long time. You hear that? Or him friend around him, I watch him long time, I plan long time. Right? The same man to come take that. You hear that? People are money pick up a 9 ball, people in can't go to hospital, you know. I must stay home and nurse that. Yeah man, for real. I must stay home and nurse that people. And a brother, he better watch himself. Because the man now go take it so. Right? Them man they go either try something after time when them see him on the road or them will come back on him yard. You hear that? Same of alert people. People please subscribe and like and share. Thumbs up people. People. Stay safe people. And always alert people. Yeah man, people. Learn from the video people. Yeah man.